What's up, YouTube? We have here a 2021 Kia K5. This is the EX version, and just want to do a quick walk around review of it today. This vehicle here, my brother purchased roughly a month ago, maybe a little less. He came to find he was only the second person to purchase one of these from the particular dealership, the Kia dealership that he got it from. Pretty slick car. It has the 1.6 turbo in it. And I'll just do a quick walk around here. It has the 18-inch wheels on it, wrapped with the Pirelli tires, which is really cool. Has the panoramic sunroof on it. And as we come around the back here, the dual exhaust tips, although it's not truly a true dual exhaust, but it does have the tips in which to give you the illusion that it is. So there's a lot of reviews about these cars out there, a lot of people talking about them and folks test driving them from the dealerships, and nobody that doing a review of anybody that actually owned one. So it has a really slick front end on it. Has the classic orange heartbeat design parking lights there that with the LEDs that is a Kia signature. And we'll take a look here inside of it real fast. Won't be probably your best video as far as review or informational, just a quick view and give you our opinion on it so far. I will say it is a pretty quick little car for only being a 1.6 liter. There's the leather seats in it. Has the Apple CarPlay. This version also has the XM on it. What size screen is this? The 8.8-inch display on it. So the nice thing about this car is it's all business and luxury inside, and on the outside, it's extremely sporty. And there's a view of that panoramic sunroof that goes the whole way back. A dual climate control. Come down in here, it has your wireless phone charger in here. Also has wireless Apple CarPlay, which is also really cool. I believe that's not available in the 10-inch display, only in the 8-inch display. So that is something that's really kind of new to the market right now, having the wireless Apple CarPlay on it. I believe it also does Android Auto as well. I'll show you here the door. And we're going to go around and look in the rear seat here. Helps unlock it first. Rode in this about a 60-mile, 70-mile one-way trip in the back seat, and very comfortable. I'm 5'9", and I found it to be very relaxed and very comfortable. Also has the fold down armrest here.
Let's drop.
One of the nice features too about it is that it has heated and cooled seats. So it's not only ventilated and cooling, but it also has heated seats as well. So we'll go ahead and open up the hood here and let you take a look underneath the hood. All right, we got the hood up here on this 2021 K5. Like I mentioned earlier, it comes equipped with the turbo GDI. It has the 1.6 liter in it. Looks really nice in here. There's a lot of attention to detail with this. I will say, you know, Kia has come a long way. 10 or 15 years ago, I wouldn't even have considered the idea of purchasing a Kia, but now, you know, I'm extremely impressed with it. But we'll get Josh here if he wants to start it up for you and let you take a listen. Quiet little engine. It's the 8-speed automatic, 180 horsepower. That's pretty good on gas too. I was combined, I think we're getting around 29 is the usual. 29 miles per gallon is what we've been getting as far as the usual combined on it. So that's pretty good for a mid-size sedan that probably isn't exactly the lightest car either. So do another walk around here. So far he loves it. Still under 1,000 miles on it. Has the they even painted the calipers in there, which is also really nice too, so that hopefully that'll keep them from corroding here in the rust belt. But yeah, if you're looking for a sporty car that's going to give you the luxury inside, I mean, even if you go down to the GT package that they're currently offering with like the cloth seats and stuff, you know, it's still quite a nice little ride. From what I understand here, they may or may not have already come out with, but definitely here later into the fall, it's September right now, they'll be coming out with the 2.5 liter turbo. So that'll be coming out soon. And they're also going to be offering, from what I believe, all-wheel drive as well in this. But this is still the early release of it. So, but yeah, really nice car. Like I said, if you're looking for something that is going to give you a nice luxury feeling inside, has a lot of power, great fuel economy, I would highly recommend something like this. And it also gives you the sporty feel. I really like the black on this. I will say I've always been a sucker for black cars, and this is definitely a nice looking color for this particular trim. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'll get this uploaded on the YouTube and let y'all take a look at it. Like I said, there are some better videos out there regarding reviews and going over all the nitty-gritty details and features. This is more of a just let you look at it and give you a little bit of discussion here as far as what it's like to actually own one. And like I said, I would definitely consider one of these myself. Being a Asian car guy, I've always been more favored towards Nissan or Honda or even a Toyota. But I will say the Korean Kia, they definitely stepped it up. That is for sure. So let me know what you guys think, and if any of you guys own one, why don't you post a comment on it. Thanks for watching.